We are going to teach a toddler how to successfully identify neutral colors: white, black, brown, and gray. To reach this goal without causing frustration, we apply a specific, structured technique adapted by Maria Montessori. It is called the 3-period lesson. Originally developed by psychiatrist Edward Seguin, this method helps children reliably associate objects with their names. Parents often default to saying, "Look at the black cat." Reversing that syntax to say, "The cat is black," makes it easier to isolate the new attribute. This is period 1, naming. You intentionally place the color at the very end of your sentence. Placing the target word last reduces the work the child's brain has to do to parse the sentence. They can simply hear and absorb the specific vocabulary word for that color. Period 2, recognition, takes up 80% of the timeline. Rushing them to speak is a mistake. Instead, confirm understanding through play. Show me the black cat. The goal is receptive language processing. They prove knowledge by moving, not talking. You can keep the child engaged for longer periods by using different playful commands. Ask them to jump to a specific color, or carry a colored item to the other side of the room. Spending the majority of your time on recognition ensures that the child has fully processed the concept. This allows them to become familiar with the name of the color before they are asked to recall it on their own. Period 3 is recall. This is the shortest phase of the lesson, where you point to the item and finally ask the child the question, "What color is this?" To test if they can identify these colors in the real world, you can introduce a color hunt. The toddler searches the house for everyday items that match the neutral colors they have been practicing. Consider this decision tree. If your toddler returns from the hunt with a brown bear but identifies it as black, how should you react? Path A uses a direct correction, while Path B reverts to the naming phase. Path B is the more effective choice. In the Montessori method, we avoid negative testing. Telling a child no or correcting them directly can cause frustration and stop the learning process. The protocol here is to step back to period 1 or 2, act as if the mistake did not happen, and simply reinforce the correct word by saying, "The bear is brown," then continue with the activity. Treating an error as a signal to review rather than a failure keeps the toddler engaged and willing to keep searching for colors. The color sorting activity is the final challenge. It uses the toddler's natural interest in order to reinforce what they've learned. The child matches household objects they found to the corresponding color categories set up on the floor. Methodical. This 3-step process is a framework you can use for any new concept. You name the item, confirm they can recognize it, and then ask them to recall it. Moving from a single word to a sorting activity, the child practices the mechanics of categorization. They learn to observe specific colors and use them to organize the items in the room.